In this video we visit Banyeres de Mariola. We leave the motorhome at home this weekend because we are staying with family members. Banyeres de Mariola is a municipality, the highest town located in the north of the province of Alicante. At 860 metres above sea level, it has an approximate population of 7,500. The main employment is textile, and a Moorish castle dating from 1214 sits atop the town. The castle was closed to the public on my visit, as was the local church, due to a funeral taking place. So I meandered through the narrow streets with a lot of uphill walking to be done. Parking is at a premium and cars were parked touching bumper to bumper. On day 2 we were taken on a walk on the Ruta dels Mulins, a 5-kilometre circuit along the canal and passing by the ruins of a paper mill. The dogs Otto and Ruby came along. A beautiful walk through lush green vegetation, small ponds with crystal clear waters and dainty waterfalls. I stopped to listen to the song of the nightingale, an elusive bird. I stood for about 10 minutes searching for this bird, but it was so well hidden I never got to see it. We passed by the ruins of an old hydraulic mill called Mulins. Built in 1856 as a paper mill, it became the most important cigarette paper factory in the world. It produced Blanco y Negro, El Automóvil, La Báscula and America Papers, among other brands. The company closed in 1964 and has laid abandoned since then. Our next stop was Pou Clar, near the village of Antient. This is a canyon with several natural pools and waterfalls where the water is fresh, crystal clear and freezing cold. A great place to cool off in the hot summer months. It is a short walk from the main road and small car park, free entrance, and during July through to early September, security guards patrol the area. Chairs, tables and sun loungers are not allowed. The only food permitted is bocadillos, sandwiches and drinking water. Oh, I could just imagine how refreshing it would be to have a swim in these cold waters in the hot summer months. Sunday afternoon and it's time to go home. Banyeres is inland about 60 kilometres from Benidorm. We take a route through the mountains and end up at an industrial estate. Will we ever trust Garmin the sat nav? If you have enjoyed watching this, please click the subscribe button, click the like button, feel free to share and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.